Spacer. Let's learn now about the most important feature of SpaCO, the spacer. We know that we have a master spacer, where we will see all the activity that will happen in each individual track all at once. We can see that each one of the tracks has their own spacer. The spacers basically show a representation of the environment of your setup. In this case, we are working with a long haul type of setup with 4 speakers separated by the same distance. This is a sort of an extended quadraphonic system. First, as we've done so far, we're going to drag and drop our audio file. In order to move this audio file, we have 2 types of spatialization modes: dynamic mode and fixed mode. Let's start with dynamic. Dynamic mode means that your audio file will move dynamically from one point to another by following any drawing that you do with your mouse. Knowing that the direction of your drawing is important, since that will be how the sound will move from where to where. Also, notice that the length of your audio file is how much it'll take from go to point A until to point V. That means that very short distances will be very slow moving, while very big distances will be very fast. Repetitions is how many times this trajectory will be completed during the length of your file. 1 repetition means 1 round in this case. 2 repetitions will mean that the same audio file will move twice as fast and will cover twice the trajectory. You can go up to 100 times. And notice that you can also have half turns. Let's talk about fixed mode. In fixed mode, your audio file will jump through steps. So if we have 4 steps, will mean which positions the audio file will be during its length. Notice that the repetitions work the exactly same way than before. Notice that SpaCO only allows you to drop 1 file at a time, and if you drop the next one, it'll replace the previous one. That means that you cannot have more than 1 audio file per track. Anyways, there is a workaround for it. In this example, I have 5 different 5 seconds long audio files with an empty space of 5 seconds in the middle. If I export this audio, I will have now 1 long file of 30 seconds, and I do know that each audio will last 5 seconds. Then I can play with repetitions. For example, this is my test file with the 5 audio files and the silence in the middle. So if I want to assign the same movement to 5 different files, I do know that if I put 6 repetitions in this circle, each one of my 5 second long files will take 1 entire turn. Similarly, I can do something with the fixed positions. If I have 6 steps in one position, I know that this one will equivalent to 5 seconds, which is my first file. So I can place it in different areas of my area of reproduction. We know that number 5 is silent, so it doesn't matter where I place it. Combinations are endless. I can drop the same file to a different track and have a different type of spatialization in there. For example, in number 1 I'm going to have a fixed spatialization, and number 2 I can have the circle one, 6 times repeated, and now I have the same file with 2 spatializations throughout my piece.